want return the country back to a constitutional government. None of this is being done. Instead, what is being promised is perhaps maybe some kind of a deal between the so-called moderates in Pakistan. What do we want? We want constitution. We want freedom. We want freedom of expression. We want free and fair elections. But free and fair elections, I hate to say this, will not really solve the problem. You want a system of checks and balances. We want Iftihar Chaudhry and those great judges to be restored back to their position. We want America. We want people here on this campus to listen to us. We believe in peaceful coexistence. We believe in peaceful struggle for democracy and human rights. And the only reason why we decided to do this and do it maybe in the not most organized manner is simply the fact that there seems to be a kind of a lack of information about the things back there. So we want people to know, we want ordinary citizens to, whatever they can do, whether they can write to their own representatives, sign a petition, write to the editors of the newspapers, make a complaint to their government, just make a complaint. Just let people know that this is unacceptable, and as we, the citizens of the 21st century, globalized interconnected world, all of us have to fight for injustice. Do not let this military dictator get away with it. We all have to be part of this struggle.
लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। फ्रीडम, 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 डाउन में, डाउन में, डाउन में। लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। लाठी गोली की सरकार
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी।
लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। फ्रीडम, 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 डाउन में, 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 डाउन में।
जजेस
डाउन में,
मुशर्रफ,
डाउन में,
मुशर्रफ,
डाउन में, डाउन में।
मुशर्रफ,
फ्रीडम,
जजेस,
फ्रीडम।
जजेस।
छात्रवृत्ति लांदा क्यों नहीं? पेंशन लेके जाना क्यों नहीं? छात्रवृत्ति लांदा क्यों नहीं?
पेंशन लेके जांदा क्यों नहीं?
छात्रवृत्ति लांदा क्यों नहीं?
पेंशन लेके जांदा क्यों नहीं?
गवर्नमेंट,
मुशर्रफ,
गवर्नमेंट,
मुशर्रफ,
गवर्नमेंट।
मुशर्रफ।
लाठी गोली की सरकार
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी।
लाठी गोली की सरकार
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी।
फ्रीडम,
जजेस,
फ्रीडम,
जजेस,
फ्रीडम।
जजेस।
गवर्नमेंट,
मुशर्रफ,
गवर्नमेंट,
मुशर्रफ,
गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट।
मुशर्रफ।
Protests and decided that this has been a military dictatorship that has been popped up via American imperialism for the last 10 years. It's not just an opposition to Sharaf as a whole, as an individual, but also I think to American interests and propping up again and fostering this, the oppression of this military dictator.
Okay.
No to Musharraf.
No to smoking, no to Musharraf.
Freedom, freedom,
Judges. नहीं जा सकते मुझसे बोले उन्हें चले
freedom, freedom. Down with, down with, down with. Freedom, 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 freedom. Down with, down with.
आहिस्ता चले पीछे से लोग आ रहे हैं
Freedom.
Martial law has got to go. Hey, hey.
हो martial law has got to go
Hey, hey.
to go. Oh, Musharraf has got to go. Oh, Musharraf has got to go.
Ho ho! Musharraf has got to go.
Pervez Musharraf. Pervez Musharraf. Pervez Musharraf. Pervez Musharraf.
नहीं 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 चले सर जी वो नारे वो अच्छा
लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। लाठी गोली की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। फ्री द डाउन विद
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
Free the land, free the media, free the journalists, free the students, free the students, free the students.
Palestinian में I think.
Yes, there was Jameel from the Palestine movement for justice in Palestine. I just want to say that this is better than expected. Of course, maybe we'll be doing more of these activities. We need to fight. We need to fight for justice in Pakistan. We need to fight for justice anywhere, in everywhere, wherever there is a problem. The weather wasn't the most ideal one, but thank you so much, and we look forward to more cooperation and more of such activities. Continue. We must use the right to have freedom of expression, and we must fight for justice. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much.